Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm the Director of Customers here at YouCanBookMe. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up mutual availability. What I mean by mutual availability is that I am setting up a booking page that shares any time available between myself and a peer. So in this example, I have a booking page set up for myself and Annie. So the first thing I've done is shared some details so the booker knows that they're meeting with both of us, letting them know that we're both looking forward to meeting them. And then the booker can quickly and seamlessly go about making that booking. So all I have to do is pick a preferred date and time and create that meeting. So I'm just going to fill in the blanks here. This booking form is completely customizable. So you can add more fields you require, just depending on the information you want to collect. So for this example, I'm just using the default booking page form, and then I complete the meeting. Just like that, you'll see that a meeting has been confirmed. So again, this is the booker's experience that only took a few seconds, and then they get a confirmation page that says their meeting went through. Here's when you're meeting. It's going to be an online meeting for 30 minutes. Next, I'll show you what the email confirmations look like that went out. So in this example here, I'm showing you the email confirmation that went out to both the booker, to myself, and to Annie. So you'll see here the details that were collected on the booking form and who we're meeting with, date and time, what time zone it is for the booker. And then we all have the same location meeting link. So you'll see here, I'm using Google Meets for video conferencing. So Annie, the booker, and myself got the same link. So we know at this time to just click on that link and we'll all be connected. Next, I'm showing you my personal calendar. So you can see that a calendar event has automatically been created. And if I click into it, there is a calendar event for myself and for Annie, and they're both confirmed. So you'll see a green check mark letting you know that all parties are confirmed and will be there at the meeting. You'll also notice in the calendar event, there are the same details from the booker and that same meeting link that you can quickly and easily click into at the time of the meeting, and it'll route you to that same Google Meet page where everybody's meeting. Okay, now that you know how mutual availability works, I'm going to show you how to set it up. So the first thing you want to do is go into your booking page settings. You'll identify the Who section, and you're going to link multiple calendars. So here under linked calendars, I've added my personal calendar, Annie's calendar, and I've also told the system, hey, create this calendar event on my primary calendar. Now, the next question is, how do we get a calendar event to automatically be created on Annie's calendar? I'll show you how. You do have to go over to the calendar event setting, and you'll see here in your calendar event, again, it gives you an example of all of the booking details that you'll need. But you'll notice here this very important part, invite participants to your calendar event. This is where you're going to add that email of your peer that's always going to be a part of this meeting. So for example, here, I've added Annie's email address, and because this booking page is always going to be to meet with myself and Annie, I've added her email here just to make sure that she always gets the invitation, she always gets a calendar event, and she always gets those confirmation emails. Next, I'm going to show you notifications and how you can create more and set a few more up. So after a new booking is created, again, that confirmation email went to myself, to the booker, and then it also went to Annie and to my CRM if you're using one. So you can create multiple different confirmations. You can set up an SMS notification as well, just depending on everything that you want to do or need to do regarding those confirmation emails. And that's how you set up mutual availability, folks. If you have any questions, please reach out to our customer support team at support@youcanbookme.com. We're happy to schedule a call with you or walk you through how to set up a booking page for mutual availability or anything else that fits your use case. Take care.